kitty cats, back again, and I've got a couple unboxings I'm gonna do. I have two of my subscription boxes. I have Julep and Glossybox. Julep I have not done in a long time. So let me show you. I've got Julep, and Glossybox. So, yeah, I haven't done Julep in a long time. The cool thing about Julep is that you can, instead of canceling, you can just keep like saying you don't want it this month. Like every month you can just pause it. And so that's what I was doing. And that way I could get it sometime when I want to get a Julep box. But I don't really get it that often because it's like a $25, it's like $24.99 I think. And you get charged like the last week of the month, and it's usually like kind of a weird month for me. I mean, a weird week for me. Sometimes I have money, sometimes I don't, because I pay a lot of other bills during that week, so I don't always have the money to get this. But last month I kind of like scrimped a little bit so that I could get it, because I was like, wow, it's been a long time since I got a Julep. But anyways, also, remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit that bell twice if you want notifications. And please do remember to share. It is so very helpful to me. So we're going to open up the Julep box first. And they've got this one like taped down. So I have to like get all the tape up, which I wish I had done first. Because I've been trying to remember to do that a lot. Like, I taped something else earlier. Although I taped a Zany Laney body spray one, which you will have already seen. And when I had done that, I like undid all the tape off of everything first, so that it would be easy for me to get everything open, so you didn't have to sit here and watch me open things. So anyways, Light and Luster. And they've got the quote on the back. I always love the fact that they have a little quote on the back. There are two ways of spreading light: to be the candle or the mirror that reflects it. Edith Wharton. Good quote. And they have a thing inside about their concealer. I already use their concealer, although this looks like it might be a new one. Under Eye Treatment Brightener. Yeah, this looks different. It has caffeine in it. Oh no, it's the same one with the turmeric root extract. Yeah, these are really good. Let's see. What else we got? I put this here. So much paper. Okay, so I did get a nail polish. In the color... Do I have to open it to see the color? No, in the color Luca. It's a bombshell one. See? It's very like pearlish, silvery stuff going on. I really wanted it because it was silver. So, and I don't think I have a silver one. I have different other metallic ones, but I don't think I have a silver. And then I got some of this, which I've gotten before, the Blank Canvas Illuminating Treatment Primer. I have had it before. It's a great face primer, and I wanted to get some face primers. I've been like, I didn't have much face primer or eyeshadow primer. I was running out, so I was getting some new ones. And then the last thing, because you know you get like 3 things, sometimes 4, but usually just 3, is a Julep Triple Quench Deep Hydration Sheet Mask System. So we'll see this on like a Mass Monday, I think, because it's got a lot going on here. It has the Essence Gel, the Sleeping Pack, and the Natural Biocellulose Gel Sheet Mask. So I'm not sure how this all works. But I'll probably read it over, and then I will... It looks like you do the gel, the Essence Gel first, and then the sheet mask, and then the sleeping pack. So yeah, I think that would be a cool one to do in a Mass Monday. And I could do it ahead of time and tell you what, you know, the sleeping pack was like, as well as everything else. Like the whole shebang, right? So that's cool. So that was my Julep. Oh, they have another thing inside the box, another quote inside the box. It says, if you can put it on, you can pull it off. Brave pretty. Hashtag brave pretty. So that was that stuff. I'm actually really happy we have that primer. Although I recently tried another illuminating primer that is fantastic, but I'm not going to talk too much about that because that's probably going to go in my August favorites because I've been using it a lot, and if I keep using it throughout August, I'm probably going to be like, hey, I really like this. You know what I'm saying? So now, we've got Glossybox. Glossybox. Yay, Glossybox. Rip this open. I would not have been able to do that yesterday. My arthritis was so bad yesterday. Like, my body was screaming. Oh, we've got our cute box. Not as cute as the one last month I liked better. With the little seahorses and stuff, seashells on it. This has seashells too. I'm going to show it to you in a second here. But it also has like bikinis and umbrellas, beach umbrellas. It's cute. But I think I'll let my daughter have this one. Do you like it? The box. It's very beachy. The inside of it says, beach please. Cute. Instead of bitch please, it's beach please. Beach please. So, I'm being super dorky. Then we got the thing that tells me what everything is. It's one of the things I like about Glossybox is this telling me what stuff is. Because it's one thing about Ipsy that I don't care for is how it doesn't tell you much. So this is Sets Blot Transculant oh my goodness. Transculant powder. Okay, so there's a few of them in here. And it absorbs, it says it absorbs 7 times oil. So, single dose cosmetic compact. So it's just like a little compact. And it shows how you can, you know, it's for travel, put it in your purse or jeans. I don't usually use transculant powder. I guess it's for, but it's for blotting. This kind of confuses me, but okay, absorbs excess oil and shine. Touch up on the go easily. Set and reset your makeup. Okay, so it's for like resetting your makeup when you're on the go, basically. I think like a bit of my hair came out there, that's okay. So that's cool. And the full size, the full size is 5 packets. This was only 3 packets. So the full size is $3.99. That's not bad. $4 for 5 packets of these for like little travel things. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I'm sure you guys will give me your opinion, because sometimes I think things are good. The thing is, what's affordable to people depends on everybody's opinions. This to me seems pretty affordable, but to somebody else they might be like, oh, that's not much, you know, that's too much for just 5. So it all depends. So the next thing I'm gonna look at is, that is not, I think what I want to look at. Is this it? Yes. Lumilayer primer. I'm not sure what this is. It says it's a primer, but it's in like a nail polish thing, and it looks pretty sparkly to me. So, let's read this one. VDL is a brand that's dedicated to one's... Okay, yeah. I wonder what it is. Primer gives you radiance that lasts from morning to night, and like your ordinary primers, this one not only preps your face for makeup, it actually illuminates your face and highlights. So it's another illuminating primer. I have 3 illuminating primers now. It looks so much like nail polish. Oh, I see though, comes in a little thing like this. I hope. This is gonna be hard to get out. This is gonna annoy me. I think you couldn't, like, that's really small. How am I gonna get, I don't even know if a Q-tip will fit in there. That annoys me. Like, if you're going to packaging is important, people. Not just on how packaging looks, but how well you can get stuff out of the package. It annoys me when I get samples and I can't get stuff out. It annoys me more than the little foil packs. Little foil packs annoy me because they're so small and I end up losing them. But this, it's starting to come out a little bit, but that's not much at all. It was like a little dot that came out. I'm probably gonna have to use a Q-tip. It's probably gonna annoy the heck out of me. Just saying. Glossybox, come on. Like, make sure your samples are like something that people can get out. I'm like, is there something under here, a pump or something? Because that would be helpful. Nope. Nothing, no pump. A pump on some would be helpful on something like this. This is ridiculous. I'm making me angry. Sorry that I'm being all like, but that's how I feel. Okay, we got Grow Gorgeous Hair Care. This is, something that I like. It's a scalp detox. It's getting rid of your split ends and healthy hair 101, but your scalp is where growth starts, so it's time we start showing it some love. Natural ingredients and a blend of minerals exfoliate the scalp. So it's another scalp exfoliator. And you know I've got the one from Wake the Dead Scripts, which I really like. We'll try this one. Let's see what it smells like. Smell is always important to me. Like, scentless is fine, but I do like it when things just smell good. That's a pretty nice smell. So we'll see how that goes in the shower, because my scalp is like a mess and I like to have scrubs for it because of psoriasis. So, what's the next thing we're gonna look at here? On number 3, nail lacquer. And I've been drinking. That's really pretty though. It's a very pretty, like, coral, bright coral color. I just did my nails today too in red. So we got 2 nail polishes today. So this would be very pretty. Actually matched up with that. I like it. Probably be my next thing. And coral's very summery. This is a very nice nail polish there. It's from NCLA, and the full size, which this seems like a full size to me, is $16. That is expensive nail polish. However, I can't say much because I have Julep nail polishes and they are pretty expensive too. But that seems really expensive. $16 for a nail polish seems kind of crazy to me. By the way, the scalp detox is $34. But it is bigger than this. The full size is 3.1 ounces. This one is only 1.69 flow ounces, so it's about twice this amount for $34. That seems crazy for me. Yeah, that seems crazy. Doesn't it seem crazy? Doesn't it seem like expensive? I don't know. Maybe it's not that expensive for scalp detox. Let me know what you guys think. And the Primer Fresh, the illuminating primer from VDL, is $10. And that is the size that I got, is $10. That tiny little thing is $10. Which isn't that bad, I guess, except the packaging itself is just super sucky. It is. I hope that somebody from Glossybox sees this and gets my opinion on this, because I really, really hate it when I get packaging and I can't get the product out. It's just really crappy. Like, I don't want to I like to just squeeze something or pump something. If I have to work at it to get it out, I don't want it. It's just too annoying. No matter how good the product is, it's too annoying for me. I have arthritis. A lot of women do have arthritis. It's not that uncommon of a thing. It makes it hard to get stuff out. And who wants to mess with it even without arthritis? Who wants to mess with something like that? As you can tell, I'm very annoyed. Okay, on to the next thing. I'm ranting a lot in this because of that. The next thing is number 4. It is Ren Clean Skincare. Keep young and beautiful, instant firming Beauty Shot. Okay, we can't take you back to the summer of '69, but the supercharged light serum instantly lifts and firms skin to leave you looking dramatically more youthful. A gentle massage of 2 to 3 drops will help produce new elastin to fight the aging protein in your face, which causes sagging and wrinkling. I actually don't have any serum right now, so this might be nice to use. I have like oils instead, like I have like a rose oil. I guess it's kind of a serum. So I'll try this one out. Of course, I always like to smell everything. It's very tiny. Is this the, oh, whoops. There I am dropping caps again. And not, you know, the kind that comes from, I'm dropping caps in the floor. Okay, I'm weird. Okay, the full size of this is $56. And this is 0.34 flow ounces. The full size is 1.0 ounces, so it is definitely bigger.
Woo!
Even
it magically appeared.
$54 is a lot for me. Well, $56 is a lot for me to spend on one piece of skincare. But I know for a lot of people that isn't a big deal. The next thing, the Monu Eye Cool Gel. I don't really need this either. Everything in here actually is stuff that I really like and could use, I think. Even this, I think is kind of cool, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put one in my purse and see how it goes, because, you know, it's summer and I sweat, and this is like a blotting thing, so I think that could be useful. I don't really need a eye gel right now, so I may leave it for a giveaway. But a full size is $30. Is this a full size? I think this might be a full size. I don't see, okay. This is 15 milliliters. The full size is 0.5 ounces. I don't know how that compares to each other. So anyways, I'm not really that great at math. So that's not really my thing. I'm sure somebody else could figure this out. But anyways, $30 isn't bad for an eye gel, I guess. Well, maybe pricey for me. But most of the stuff in Glossybox is usually a bit pricey for me. But I like the fact that I get to try out pricier products, because sometimes I like them enough that I will go get them. So, but I think this is probably going to get thrown into a giveaway. I'm not even going to open it up, because I don't want to open it up and then give it away. That's not cool. So yeah, it's an eye cool gel for puffiness and dark circles. The usual stuff. It does have ginseng, vitamin C, and arnica in it. So that's pretty good. Those are good things. So, yeah, that was everything in my glossy box. So I'm probably gonna let my daughter have the box. And I'm gonna try not to rant anymore about this illuminating primer. Hopefully I can get it out and use it a few times, but I got a feeling it's gonna really annoy me. Because I think I'm gonna have to use a Q-tip to get it out, because it really wasn't coming out much when you did that. Like, what a terrible, terrible packaging idea. People, come on. You can do better than this. You can do better. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. And right now, I kind of want to slap some people in the face. Just saying. But I won't. Because I'm nice. So nice. Bye-bye, kitty cats. Love you.